How's it going, everyone? Mark from Brick Foundation here. Today was the day that I set on my calendar to go to the Lego store and purchase my items because today was the best day for points and promotions for the month of October. So I got in my car, headed over to the Galleria in Houston. Roll the film, guys. All right, guys, here we are in the Galleria, heading to the Lego store. Let's see if we can pick some of these deals. Got back from the Lego store. You can see the purchase and we're headed on the way back home. Alright guys, we're all done here. You can see, look at the back. I'm headed on the way home and I will show you what we purchased. There's a little bit of a theme for today. See you guys later. Alright guys, there we go. I'm back, ready to show you guys exactly what I purchased from Lego. Now, I got double points, which is 13 points per dollar that I've spent. I think it was around roughly $354 before tax, and I got all the promotional items. Let's start off with just the promotional items first. There you have it. The Lego Mindstorm's mini robots to celebrate the new Mindstorm set that was just released. Now, the set has 366 pieces, and this set is a 5-in-1. That's nice what you get for free, right guys? Go ahead and spend that $100 if you can. That's the reason why I was holding off to buy this. The Elf Clubhouse. Granted, this is an 18+ set. You can tell by the design that it's definitely geared towards adults. I'm really excited to go ahead and build this. I'm not doing this in October though. This will be a set that I will wait until end of November, maybe beginning of December to actually build. I'm waiting until Halloween is over. All right, so moving on. Now there's one more promotional set that was specifically just for if you purchased items in store. Here it is, guys, the Build Your Own Vehicle polybag set. Set number is 30549, and you get 59 pieces. Then I think it's if you spend $40 or more, let's check it out. Spend $40 or more, you get this. And again, if you spend $100 or more, 5-in-1 Mindstorm mini robots. All right, moving those off to the side. Honestly, they gave me 3 of them. Happy about that. All right, I had to get this. I actually really wanted this one. I wanted to see the actual size and how big the Lego wreath was gonna be. Again, this is a 2-in-1 set. Set number 40426 at 510 pieces. You know what? I don't even know how much this one was. All right, $35. Okay, actually, that was more expensive than I thought it was gonna be. I will do a video on building this and I'll tell you guys if it's worth that $35 or not. All right, next. I had to grab the little snowman reindeer. I mean, it was 10 bucks. I really did enjoy the pumpkin bat duo, so I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and grab the reindeer and the snowman. It's something little that I really enjoy, and I was like, you know what? I could hang this on the Christmas tree this year, so excited to build this. All right, next. Here it is, guys. I already told you before how much I love Nutcracker, and I am not disappointed in this. 10 bucks. Go ahead and get yourself the brick heads, and the fact that his jaw actually really opens like a nutcracker. I'm really excited about this. I will be doing a full review and live build on the brick heads for Christmas during that time frame. Give me a like down below if you'd like to see that. All right, moving on, we're moving quickly, guys. So the next 2 sets are old sets, but something that I wanted to add. Now these 2 other sets were sets that I was missing for the Lego Creator Winter Holiday Train. I actually bought 2 of those sets, made the train and tracks a little bit larger that would go around my Christmas tree, and I think this would be great addition to pair with that. These are, first, here, the Winter Village Fire Station. Which is funny about this, the Lego employee said, hey, I actually have one of these sets. He saw me kind of like looking around for a bit. I see you grabbing some Christmas holiday sets. We actually have a return that someone didn't want. Would you want to go ahead and grab that? I was like, you know what? I don't have that set. Put it in the bag. So here it is. I'm excited to see how this actually looks. This wasn't even on my radar. I wasn't even looking to buy this, but I'm actually excited that I was able to get this. Last but not least, the gingerbread house. Now this is something I was actually a little disappointed on, that I missed the mini gingerbread house back in July. That was a promotional item. I actually bought this earlier this year. I actually gave it to a friend of mine for a birthday gift, so decided to go ahead and pick up one more for myself. I actually really wanted to go ahead and build this. I was excited about this last year, wasn't able to do it back then, so I have it finally. I'll be able to put this next to my Winter Village fire station and my holiday train set. All right, guys, that's it. Besides a few more of the poly bags, that's all I purchased today. I am Christmased out in October. With everything that's going on, October feels more like Christmas right now with everything LEGO's pushing. We have the LEGO Ideas Christmas competition for the LEGO Star Wars prizes. In case you haven't heard about it, there's this new competition at LEGO Ideas where the best Star Wars Christmas build will win an awesome prize bundle. People are going around talking about this image that was leaked for the Millennium Falcon holiday theme. If it was gonna be a real set made in production for everyone, or maybe just the LEGO employees. I don't know, it could be a set maybe just for LEGO employees. I do not think that this is gonna be something that's gonna be made for a wide release. That's just my thoughts. I have a feeling maybe perhaps they're right about the employee set, but right now I think it's just an image that they're showing off to help push and get everybody excited about this competition. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Remember to utilize your cashback websites, which I'll have a link in the description below, and save anywhere from 2.5% to 3% back at LEGO. And if you join by using my referral link down below, if you spend $30 at LEGO, you get $30 back. That almost pays for this set. So remember, join the cashback website, type in LEGO, click on the 2.5% cashback, spend $30 or more at LEGO, you get $30 back. And remember, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys later.